Well, after the batenge to katenge caution by Prime Minister Narendra Modi and Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat's Hindu Samaj Must Unite call has triggered a fresh political debate on the eve of election results in Haryana and Jammu Kashmir. Addressing a Swayam Sevak Ekatrikaran event in Rajasthan's Baran on Saturday, RSS chief stressed that the Hindu society must unite for its security by eliminating language, caste and regional differences and disputes. Here's what the RSS chief said.
भारत में भारत के लिए जिम्मेवार समाज कौन सा है? वो हिंदू समाज है, क्योंकि भारत हिंदू देश है, हिंदू राष्ट्र है। समाज में सबके मन में एक दूसरे के प्रति सद्भावना, आत्मीयता चाहिए। ये वातावरण उत्पन्न करना पड़ता है, वैसा व्यवहार होना चाहिए। समाज के सब क्रियाकलापों में व्यक्ति से लेकर समूह तक सर्वत्र आचरण का अनुशासन होता है, कानून होता है, संविधान होता है, भद्रता के संकेत होते हैं। एक दूसरे को कष्ट न हो ऐसा रहना पड़ता है। समाज में सबके मन में एक दूसरे के प्रति सद्भावना, आत्मीयता चाहिए। ये वातावरण उत्पन्न करना पड़ता है, वैसा व्यवहार होना चाहिए। समाज के सब क्रियाकलापों में व्यक्ति से लेकर समूह तक सर्वत्र आचरण का अनुशासन होता है।
Mohit Bhatt joining us on the broadcast with more details. Mohit, a lot of political reactions coming in, but before we get into the criticism, after Yogi Adityanath, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and now RSS chief giving this message of ekta to the Hindu society.
Well, yes, in fact, Swati, and this is what the BJP says. BJP has been saying this, that don't look at the statement of Mohan Bhagwat from prison of communal politics. Now, look at the statement that he's urging the Hindu society to come together and irrespective of their caste, creed, they need to work together and Hindus have to be united. This is the larger message that RSS is giving. So this is what the BJP says. And we know for a fact that how Yogi Adityanath made a similar statement with a reference to what's happening in Bangladesh. It was seen as a reference to what is happening in Bangladesh, but it was also about the internal politics, that how on certain issues of caste, the opposition is attacking the government. And Yogi Adityanath said, batenge to katenge. And Prime Minister Narendra Modi in Maharashtra just a day ago also made similar statement कि हम बटेंगे तो जो बांट रहे हैं वो लोग जश्न मनाएंगे, वो महफिल सजाएंगे. So the larger message over here is to the Hindu community of the country, the core voter of the BJP, that they need to be united. So, but the opposition also says that when Mohan Bhagwat says that India is a Hindu Rashtra, then the questions are being raised by opposition saying that...
Let's listen to some of the reactions. Mohit, stay on with us. Stay on with us. Let's get you reactions coming in from the AIMIM and others who have hit out at Mohan Bhagwat, at RSS and the BJP as well. AIMIM Chief Asduddin Owaisi has responded to RSS Chief Mohan Bhagwat's Hindu Rashtra and Hindus Must Unite call. Lashing out at the BJP and RSS, the AIMIM chief says if there's any threat at all, it is from Narendra Modi and Mohan Bhagwat. He has also asked why don't BJP and RSS talk about pressing issues like unemployment and the Chinese land grab.
कि भारत के 78 करोड़ हिंदुओं को खतरा है। सुनो मोहन भागवत, न भारत के हिंदुओं को खतरा है, न भारत के मुसलमानों को कोई खतरा है। हां, एक खतरा भारत के मुसलमानों को, हिंदुओं को, दलितों को, आदिवासियों को, सिखों को, ईसाइयों को है। वो किससे है? नरेंद्र मोदी और मोहन भागवत से खतरा है।
We have Soumya joining us now with more details on this. The opposition, of course, up in arms against the BJP and the RSS as well after this latest statement from Mohan Bhagwat. Asduddin Owaisi says the real threat is from BJP.
Well, this is not the first time Asduddin Owaisi criticizing Mohan Bhagwat or Mr. Narendra Modi or even Yogi Adityanath. After Yogi's statement, batenge to katenge, from there to Prime Minister Modi in Maharashtra, from recent remarks from, Mohan Bhagwat in Rajasthan. Yesterday in Nizamabad, Asduddin Assaduddin Owaisi, while addressing a jalsa, he stated that, Modi and both Mohan Bhagwat don't speak on China. They are sitting in our territory. And, when it comes to the threat to 78 crore Hindus, then, they don't face any threat from the Muslims. They do face threat from Modi, and also they do face threat from Mohan Bhagwat. And they also question Mohan Bhagwat that do you also scare China and you don't speak on China. And when China is sitting in our territory, Modi is doing US tour. At the same time, he has also said that not just mention Hindu community, but also Muslim community, Sikhs, Adivasis, Dalits, all of these communities, they are facing threat from Narendra Modi and Mohan Bhagwat, is what Owaisi said. So, like I said, this is not the first time, but yes, he's been criticizing Yogi or Prime Minister Modi, or yesterday even Mohan Bhagwat.
Right, so Amit and Mohit, stay on with us. There are other reactions coming in as well. The leaders of the INDI Bloc 2 are taking aim at the BJP and the RSS over this unity call, while Congress says this message by RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat is aimed at the BJP because it's the BJP that is dividing the society. Leaders of Samajwadi Party are of the view that this statement from the RSS chief shows that there's stress between the RSS and the BJP, and the RSS wants to regain its lost control over the party.
Self-appointed ठेकेदार्स of Hindu religion, they are in power for the last 10 years, and suddenly Hindus are endangered, are threatened. By whom? Yes, the RSS is threatened by the BJP. The BJP is threatened by the RSS. They can't be coming together. So they should set their house in order. And yes, Hindus, Muslims, Christians, Dalits, tribals, everybody is threatened by unemployment, by price rise, by crimes against women, by overall disharmony in the society. Are they not worried about that? In fact, they are guilty for this disharmony.
देखिए, असद ओवैसी साहब बात को समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं। डॉक्टर मोहन भागवत जी जब हिंदुओं को इकट्ठा करने की बात कर रहे हैं, आप जानते हैं कि बीजेपी आरएसएस की एक विंग है। पहले आरएसएस इसका मुखिया, बीजेपी या एनडीए की सरकारें कैसे चलती हैं, उसका निर्देश नागपुर से आता था। अब जो केंद्र में जो दो महानुभाव बैठे हुए हैं, उनके पैरों में आरएसएस पड़ा हुआ है। वो ये बात कर रहे हैं कि जो हिंदू आरएसएस के हाथ से निकलकर दो लोगों के हाथ में आ गया है, वो अपनी तरफ बुलाना चाह रहे हैं।
See, Mohan Bhagwat's every statement, for that matter, RSS every move is a political move. It's a political organization. It's not cultural organization. So Mohan Bhagwat, I want to ask the RSS and the Mohan Bhagwat, if he says the one community should unite because the Hindu community's security is involved, then 10 years of RSS backed BJP ruled government headed by Mr. Modi, has this government not given security to the Hindus?
We have reactions coming in from BJP's ally JDU as well, which has added to the debate, reacting to RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat's Hindus must unite by eliminating language, caste and regional dispute statement. JDU leader KC Tyagi says that there is a caste system which is already prevalent and many have already tried to dismantle it.
समाज में जाति व्यवस्था पहले से ही प्रचारित है, जिसको समय समय पर बहुत सारे मनीषियों ने दूर करने का प्रयास किया है, जिसमें डॉक्टर अंबेडकर, डॉक्टर लोहिया, काशीराम शामिल।
Mohit Bhatt continues to be with us. How should one look at this statement coming from the JDU? While Mohan Bhagwat says that we need to rise up, above language, caste, creed, religion, JDU leader says ये व्यवस्था तो जाति की व्यवस्था तो पहले से ही है, बहुत लोगों ने कोशिश की इसको हटाने की।
Well, in fact, Swati, you see, that has been the stand of the RSS for a long time, that Hindu society should not be divided on the basis of caste. We need to rise above the caste and work for the upliftment of the Hindu society, and we all need to be together. But when it comes to the JDU had a very different standpoint when it comes to the caste politics, because their politics is also based on the caste system. Bihar is a place where the politics is based on the caste system, and hence to cater to their vote bank, they have also made this statement. And as the spokesperson said, that the caste system has been going on for many years, and then it has not been eradicated. It's not about eradicating the caste system, but Mohan Bhagwat said not ending the reservation. It's what Mohan Bhagwat said. It's about that we as a Hindu need to come together. We as a Hindu need to be together for upliftment and for the society and work for the nation. We should not let our differences come in between as a Hindu society, and hence the country should progress. So that has been the ideology of the RSS since beginning. RSS chief Mohan Bhagwat on many occasions have stated the same. But we see politics being played on this particular issue. While we see the opposition parties, they have hit out at Mohan Bhagwat. We have seen the reaction coming in from Owaisi. And as Somit was saying, that Owaisi earlier also has made very staunch attack on Mohan Bhagwat's statement. And now he goes on to say that the Hindus, Muslims are not in danger. It's because everybody in the country is in danger because of the Chinese aggression. And he has taken a political route completely on this statement.
All right.
But what the BJP says is that Mohan Bhagwat, Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Yogi Adityanath, they have all talked about it, how we have to be together for the progress of the country, and we should not be divided. Back to you.
All right. Mohit and Somit, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you. So